In today's fast-paced industrial world, reliable and high-speed connectivity is crucial. The Amphenol LTW M12 IDC field installable connector is designed for 10 gigabits per second high-speed data transmission, ensuring your systems stay stable and interference-free. The IDC connector is an industrial-grade solution for high-speed Ethernet applications, featuring IP67 protection, 360 degrees EMI shielding, and a secure crimping system, ensuring durability, interference resistance, and reliable connectivity for industrial and transportation applications. To meet a variety of industrial needs, the IDC connectors offer A, B, D, X coded. The IDC connector supports multiple industrial communication protocols, ensuring seamless integration with your network system. With broad protocol compatibility, it is the ideal choice for building an efficient and reliable industrial network. The IDC connector installation is quick and tool-free in just 6 steps. Step 1. Choose the right connector and cable. Select an IDC connector that matches your application requirements. Ensure the cable is shielded and compatible with high-speed Ethernet protocols. Step 2. Prepare the cable for assembly. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to strip the cable, exposing the individual wires. Trimming the braided shield ensures proper grounding and minimizes interference. Removing the foil shield exposes the inner wires, ensuring stable signal transmission. Carefully stripping the mylar prevents damage to the wires. Pick up the copper foil, carefully wrap it around the stripped portion of the cable, ensuring it fully covers the remaining braided shield. Press the edges of the foil firmly to ensure a tight bond with the cable's shielding layer and jacket. Take a seal, pass it through the cable. Then slide the sealing nut through the cable. Next, cut off any unnecessary twisted pair wires. Step 3. Insert the wires into the connector. Carefully align the wires with the designated color-coded pin layout. Avoid twisting or damaging the internal conductors during insertion. Step 4. Secure the connection using the patented locking mechanism. Amphenol LTW's patented locking system ensures a tight, vibration-resistant connection. Turn the connector clockwise until it clicks into place, securing the contact points. Step 5. Verify the connection. Conduct a continuity test to ensure proper electrical connections. Use a network tester to confirm high-speed data transmission is functioning correctly. Step 6. Finalize the installation. Secure the cable using cable ties or strain relief clamps to prevent movement.